What's up, guys? As you can tell, I just woke up walking Malibu. For some reason, she likes to walk in the middle of the road. So we're gonna go to the mountains for like 4 days. I'm pretty excited. I know Keenan is too. We haven't been in 2 years. Last time we went was for my birthday a couple years ago. And Malibu's coming with us. Nice. We'll see how that goes. And the next clip you guys see will probably be us packing the car up. So this is Malibu stuff. It's Keenan. For food, medicine, snacks. Yeah. Gotta put a bunch of this stuff in there. We stopped to use the bathroom and get food. Let's go.
Oh my god, he's a football star. Whoa, did I scare you?
I'm working out right now, and then I'm gonna go inside and shower. Keenan's watching some Hulu. Then we're gonna eat dinner and watch some football. I just woke up and showered. Keenan's about to eat breakfast. I just ate breakfast. And today we're going to an apple orchard to go apple picking. I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Trying to find the seatbelt.
Here it is. Dude, Malibu.
All right, Keenan.
Well, this is beautiful.
There you go.
So my granddaddy had.
Do I have chocolate on my face?
No. Good morning, guys. We're about to drive home. I didn't really film the rest of last night because Keenan got sick, but she's feeling a little bit better. Still feeling kind of sick though.
Two hours later.
We made it home. Thank goodness. Keenan's walking Malibu right now. Babe. What's up, guys? I'm editing the video right now. And we've taken a long break, haven't we? To say the least. We've had a lot going on and just haven't been able to keep up with putting out content. Hopefully it's gonna get better within the next couple months. We have a lot of stuff planned. Keenan's birthday is coming up. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at it and just do more day in the life type of stuff. We've just had a lot going on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, thanks for coming and tuning in. I got a bad haircut, so I've been wearing hats for like the past 2 months. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we've got a lot of stuff planned, so stay tuned for that. And subscribe and put on the notification bell if you want to be notified for it. If not, I understand. I'm glad you came and watched this video in the first place. Have a good day. I hope you had a happy new year, happy holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate. And yeah, we'll see you soon.